Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we're going to begin to talk about money. And today we're going to start by talking about coins. And we're going to talk about the names of these coins and the value that they have. And we're going to take a look at these 4 coins here in this illustration. And we're going to go from left to right and talk about what these coins are called and how much they're worth. Now the first coin, do you know what this is? This is 1 penny. It's worth 1 cent. So I'm going to go ahead and write that over here. This is a penny. Let me try to write that. P, kind of messy, E, N, 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 and a Y. Okay? And this is worth 1 cent. Just 1 cent. And the way that looks is just like that. 1 cent. So this is 1 penny. Now, in a dollar, now let me go ahead and draw that down here. In a dollar, kind of a red dollar, we know that dollars don't look like that, but for this purpose, we'll make it red. This dollar, to make a dollar, you would need 100 of these pennies. You need a lot of pennies to make a dollar. So this is worth 1/100th of a dollar. This is a penny. It's worth 1 cent. The next one here, do you know what that is? If you read here, it says 5 cents. This is a nickel. Okay, I'm going to write that here. A nickel is N-I-C-K. Whoops, messy, but E. Whoop. There we go. E-L. All right, and this is worth 5 cents, just like it says on the nickel itself. 5 cents. Now, how many would you need to make a dollar? You would actually need 20 of these, okay? 20 of these to make a dollar. This is a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. The next one is a dime. Now, if you notice here, you see the different sizes of the coins. And these are accurate to how they actually are in real life, okay? So these are basically actual size coins. So if we look at this penny, is the nickel bigger or smaller than the penny? It's a little bit bigger. And then if we look at the dime, is the dime bigger or smaller than the penny? It's a little bit smaller. Definitely smaller than the nickel. And this dime, I'm going to write that here, D-I, very messy, but you get the idea, D-I-M-E, and this is worth 10 cents. Remember, you need 100 cents to make a dollar. Dollar is 100 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. So how many dimes would you need to make a dollar? You would need 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then a dollar. 100 cents. Okay, so that's a dime. The last one here is a quarter. A quarter, I'm going to write that here, lowercase q, u, a, and as I'm writing that, how much is a quarter worth? Quarter is worth 25 cents. Quarter. All right. That is a quarter. Is that the biggest or smallest of all these coins? This is actually the biggest. And this is worth 25 cents. Now, how many quarters would you need to make a dollar? Remember, a dollar is 100 pennies or 100 cents. And if you have something that's 25 cents, you would need just 4 of these to make a dollar. So a penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. All right, boys and girls. So now we're going to go to our Stepping Stones book, and we're going to page 165, okay? And we're just going to match up the names to the coins, okay? So we're going to match up the names to the coins. And then we're going to look at the size and think of the size of the coins, okay? So let's go ahead and first do the names. The first thing you're going to do is, you see this one here. Remember what that one was? That was the nickel. And we're going to match it up to the proper one. It goes, whoops. Get on the writing tool. There it is. It goes straight across to the word nickel. Now, the other ones, boys and girls, I'm going to say the name. And you're going to see, we're going to do them together actually. We're going to see the names over here. We're going to match them up together, okay? So the next one is a dime. It says real small there, 1 dime. Now, you see the word dime? Is it this one, or this one? Listen to the initial sound, the first sound, dime. D, d, That's it right there. Let's match it up. There we go. How about this one? Remember that one? That's the first one we started with. That is a penny. See the words here? Lowercase q, lowercase p. Which one do you think it would be? Penny. That's right. And then finally, quarter. That's got to be this last one, right? Only one left. Quarter. Very good. Now, boys and girls, now that we have these matched up, nickel, dime, penny, and quarter, and you see the names of them, now you're going to do this next part on your own. You're going to think about the size of each coin, and you can look up here to see the size of the coins, okay? And you're going to draw a line to match each coin outline to the coin name, okay? You can use real coins to help, or you can just look up here. Now, I look here and I see this looks like it looks like what they're doing is they're going from smallest to largest, okay? So the smallest one, which is the smallest coin? Is it this one, this one, this one, this one? Let me give you a hint. It's this one, okay? So which one is that? D-I-M-E. So I'm going to see the smallest one. I'm going to match it to D-I-M-E, dime. There it is. So I'm going to match that to that, okay? The second one, a little bit bigger one, is already matched for you. Just finish that line. That's a penny. And then look at the next one and the next one. What would be bigger than the penny? There's the penny. What's bigger? Is this bigger than the penny? This? Well, they're both bigger, aren't they? But which is just slightly bigger? And then the last one is the biggest. Which is the biggest? This one or this one? Look at the names and match them up. All right, boys and girls, thank you for starting this study of coins with me. And thank you for joining me today for math.